Okay, today you're going to be working on a draft of your annotated bibliography. You're going to open up this assignment that says Annotated Bibliography Template. This one is just a copy for the instructional video. First off, you're going to start by adding your name where it says Insert Name here. So you would just select this information and type in your name. Make sure when you're done that you delete these brackets right up here. In the header, it's just going to be your last name. So select this. Write down your last name, and again, delete the brackets. You're going to be adding the MLA citations to the annotated bibliography. They need to go in alphabetical order based on the author's last name. So to start, make sure you're clicked down in here. And you're just going to go back to your sites and either use the MLA citations that you already created or create new ones with EasyBib. So let's say I started out with this article from mel.org. Instead of giving me the link, go into Citation Tools right along the side here. Select it, then copy and paste it into your document. Paste it right there. Make sure you change the font to 12-point Times New Roman and not bold. Now you see everything is lined up right along the side here. That's close but not quite right. You need to give it a hanging indent. In order to do a hanging indent, make sure that the citation is selected. Go to Format, Align and Indent, Indentation Options. Change the special from None to Hanging. Click Apply, and there it is. There's your first citation. Once you have your first citation, you delete that part so that you're left with just the citation itself. So that's a citation from mel.org. Next up, if you're doing one from Questia Schools, let's say first go into Questia School, log in. You need to go into your active projects in order to find your sources. So click on Menu, then click Projects. Go into your default project, whichever source you're using. Click the box next to it. Click Create Bibliography. Make sure MLA is selected. And there's your source. So you'll copy this and paste it in under Source 2. Now see, this isn't quite right. So we need to click Delete until it gets over to the side. Select it all, change it to 12-point Times New Roman, unselect bold, format, align and indent, indentation options, painting, done. Then you delete this and some of the extra space, and there you go. If you have a source that does not create the citation for you, then you will need to go to EasyBib. So let's say I used this website right here. You would copy the link, Control-C, and then under Add-ons, go to EasyBib Bibliography Creator, Manage Bibliography, Website, paste the website in there, click Search, select the site, and click Add Bibliography to Doc. That's going to put it all the way down here at the bottom. You're going to select this, copy it, and paste it under Citation 3. Now you notice everything is underlined. You don't want that, so select everything and unclick Underline. Now you need to be careful with the EasyBib citations because sometimes EasyBib doesn't add all the information that you need. For instance, if you check the reference sheet, you'll see you need an access date, meaning the day that you found the website. EasyBib did not include that. So what you need to do is put accessed and then the day you found the website. So if you found it today, you'd put the date, 24, that's the day, then the month, and abbreviate it, so it's OCT period, and then the year, finished with a period. There you go. Now, remember, everything needs to be in alphabetical order by the author's last name. Since I comes before S, you'll need to select your source, click Edit, Cut, and then edit, paste it back in. Give me a space between each of the sources so I can easily see where one starts and the other ends. You'll just do that for all of your sources, and that will be the first step of the rough draft process. Again, make sure they go in alphabetical order by the last name. If you're using EasyBib, double check the MLA Citations cheat sheet to make sure that EasyBib included all the information it needs. If it did not, you need to add it yourself. Good luck!